secret paradise. Everybody's waiting just for you. Yes, here comes my other bee, with the greatest friends that you ever see. Yes, here comes my other bee, with a brand new story just for you and me. Yes, here comes my other bee, with a brand new story just for you and me.
The birth of Maya. On the edge of a beautiful sunny meadow full of flowers, a cute little bee comes to life in the cozy honeycomb of a hive. Full of curiosity, she looks around with wide eyes.
It's always just as moving. Welcome to the world, little bee. This is for you. It's honey.
That's good.
Lots of other bees come climbing out of their cells.
Children, I am Miss Cassandra, your teacher. Welcome to your hive. Okay, children, it's time to go and meet our queen. Off we go.
But because she can hear strange sounds coming from somewhere, the little bee doesn't go out with the others. As she looks around, she finds a bee boy who still seems to be asleep in his honeycomb. Wanting to be friendly, she offers him some of her nectar.
Hey, get up! You have to try this. Try it. That smells good. What is it? Honey. Huh?
Big and round, a silver ball lights up in the sky.
Wow.
Hey, what are you doing here? Go back to bed.
I just wanted to know where that sunbeam was coming from.
That isn't a sunbeam, it's the light of the moon. Now about turn, off to bed.
Maya flies disappointedly back into the hive, where she has an idea. If she's not allowed outside, then she may as well have a look around inside.
Where's she going?
The nursery's the other way!
Come back here!
The guards fly so very closely past Maya. The Queen's messenger. Maya is flying enthusiastically over the meadow, blowing seeds from the dandelions. Just like little parachutes, they sail across the meadow.
Now you are free, and I'm...
Willy is also out and about on the meadow, looking for his friend.
Maya? Maya? Huh?
Watch out, Maya!
Night blooms. In the light of the setting sun, Maya sits on a flower and looks out over the flowery meadow.
Don't you just love sunflowers?
Willy is having yet another little nap when Flip turns up.
I do indeed.
Flip!
Did you know, Maya, that they turn very slowly all day long, so that they're always facing the sun?
They must really love the sun.
Don't all flowers love the sun?
No, not